out of the box. Rip. Keep the ripping.
Dad.
Is that a box of diapers?
You need diapers. I'm excited. Are you?
Yay!
Oh, they're too small. We're gonna open the box.
Dad!
What is wrapped? I didn't think it was. Okay, now open this. Rip it, rip it.
Oh, can you turn around, Sophia, so I can see? Open.
Oh, Jessica loves her daughter more than we do. You're getting this on tape, right?
Yes.
Now, let us take this off, and let's just rip. Keep ripping. Keep ripping. Kelly, rip up.
My birthday. Thank you.
It's still wrapped. I'm pretty sure that she said that it wasn't wrapped, but what she meant by that was it wasn't wrapped enough because it was only wrapped 5 times.
Here you go.
We still have more to unwrap.
Sophia, there's still more to unwrap. Go look at Daddy.
We aren't even a quarter way through this. It's still wrapped. Oh, wow. Bow tie pasta. And a spoon.
Looks like you're going to be cooking with Daddy.
A cookie. Oh, present. Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool.
My present.
Yeah. Can you say thank you, Aunt Jay?
Green beans.
Thank you, Dad.
Look at the camera and say thank you, Jay.
Okay.
Say thank you, Aunt Jay.
Thank you, Dad.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
There's green beans and pasta and a spoon. And what's the other thing that I passed by?
What's
And
that?
Apron, maybe?
a soccer ball.
Look at that, Fia. You got a soccer ball.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you.
And what's in here? Here you go. There. Open this. No, you're distracted.
Whoa!
It's green.
She didn't stop that.
Whoa! Catch!
Hey, look.
Oh, this must be from Trace. Is this an outfit for you Build-A-Bear? A South African soccer outfit?
That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.